Welcome. In front of me is a CROSSCALL Action X3, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache on the device. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and then select power off, like so. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we will then hold power key and volume down. So power key, volume down, hold those two keys simultaneously. Once you see the logo, you can let go. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, you'll use volume key to navigate. So volume up and down to go respectively. And with that in mind, select wipe cache partition and confirm it with power key. Once more, select yes. And you should see cache wipe complete, and reboot system now should be selected by default. So all you need to do now is just press power key to confirm that. Wait for the device to boot back up into the Android, and the process will then be fully finished. And as you can see now, the device is back on. So that is how you would wipe cache partition on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.